Hello, my name is RJ with RJ's Amazing Entertainment. I'm going to teach you how to do the Deluxe Princess Wand. You ask the kid what color they like. I love suggesting purple and pink because it's every little girl's favorite color, pretty much. You're going to want to inflate this 260 and have about 4 or 5 fingers at the end for the tail, nozzle and tie. We're going to take this and fold it into 3 petals, approximately the same size, about 4 fingers in length. If they're a little off, it's okay. With practice, sizing comes. So we have something like this. Then we're going to take the pink and match that side. About the same. We're just going to duplicate this process. And this is where I like to ask the kid, do you have any pets? Do you have any other brothers and sisters? Or just small talk to keep them going. So now we have these 2 halves, right? One's a little bit longer than the other, so just stretch that out. Oh, look at that, it's the same size. I like to take these, stick them right in my legs, between my legs for support, and then I twist it around where I have purple and pink opposite, and then again, which makes this beautiful design, and ooh, everybody loves it at this point. And we'll just rotate these 2 together, and at the bottom, we'll twist these, locking one inside. Have this beautiful base piece. Then we'll take a heart and fill it up. We have different types of hearts too. There's some that actually have Elsa, Anna, Cinderella, Belle, Ariel on them, and if you're doing a princess party, it's really great to do this design and have the princess face on it already. I don't have any of those balloons with me today, so I just take this and I wrap it in, lock it in, and here is the Deluxe Princess Wand for private parties. It's a little bit longer than the other one that we do, and it's a lot more beautiful. Little girls and boys just love it. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.